All right, so I made it here to the trailhead, and I have a little pullover here that I found on the side of the road, and just cooking some dinner. Got here just around when sunset hit, so just didn't get a ton of time to explore or look at the sunset and stuff. Just got here. All the other campsites were pretty much packed at the trailhead area, so I found this little dispersed spot here. So gonna camp here for the night. Got dinner going here. Tonight they're gonna have steak, and I got zucchini, so went ahead and prepared that. Have the new awning up, and this is the Roof Nest Little Wing. The nice thing about that is it has lights built in, so I'll have a full review on that, but it's one of those 270-degree awnings. I've really enjoyed that. Compared to the other awning, was pretty hard to set up, the ARB awning. It was nice while I had it, but it just took a lot longer. This one I can just pop it up real easily. Have the tent up there as well. So anyways, gonna have dinner here and just relax for the night. Had a nice sunset on the drive up here. Unfortunately, by the time I got up here, the sun was pretty much behind the mountain. But anyways, what we're gonna do, gonna have dinner and clean up a bit, go to bed. We're gonna wake up early, probably around 6 o'clock, and hit the trail. Hopefully be on the top of the summit here before noon. So anyways, let's get cooking. Yeah, it is. Dinner is served. Got the steak, kind of a little bit rare. You can see kind of the juice there, but that's how I like it. And then the zucchini. Let's get eating. Well, good morning, everyone. Eventful night last night. Basically, I was awoken last night around 2 a.m. by a loud boom and flashes of lightning. Basically, a thunderstorm rolled through, and being a little bit higher elevation, it was really enhanced, the thunder and lightning. And so it sounded like it was right on top of me. And being up on the top of my car in a tent, that was something to experience for sure. Nevertheless, I didn't get tons of sleep. I looked at radar, see if any other storm was coming. But it was kind of comical because it started all the way mid-Oregon, the cell, and just went dead center, dead line, straight to me. And anyways, thunderstorms are more in the forecast for today. And looks like they're all just headed this way straight to Mount St. Helens. So it's about 5:30 right now. Have the lights on. You can just see a little bit of the dusk happening now. But anyways, gonna have a quick breakfast. Basically, I'm just gonna have a shake, protein shake to get up there, and I'm also going to make some coffee. So gonna do that and then head on up there to the mountain. So gonna head down, try to beat the storm. Anyways, amazing view. All right, so completed the summit. Overall, a good hike. I'm definitely glad I stuck around and did that. So nice and fun. Little brief break at the top. Didn't get to stay up there as long as I liked because of the storm and the wind. But overall, pretty happy with how it went. And look forward to the next hike. If you like what you saw, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also leave a comment. Let me know if you've hiked this before. If you want to see more hiking content like this, make sure to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.